All right, very well. Before continuing with the fitting the cladding under the canopy, we're going to pick out the brass doorknobs. So I'm using some, I don't know what you can see, excuse me, there you go, some Vallejo gold paint. It's Vallejo model color, Oro Gold 70996, and I'm going to apply it using a nib. I had also considered using this Pilot gold pen, but the tip is really too thick, so I didn't want to risk making a mess, and this stuff here doesn't wipe off with a wet cotton bud, so we'll use this for something else. I'm just going to go on very carefully. Tiny drop. Now we'll do the other two doorknobs, being careful not to smudge these ones. Okay, the other two are here. Apologise for the camera, but it's a real disaster showing you things so close up with this tripod. But we'll see what we can do. So I've got my nib with the Vallejo paint on it, pulling my lamp down well. Okay, and this one here. Okay. Maybe I splodged out a wee bit here, so we're going to get a wet toothpick and just go around it. I think I've been over generous, so we'll wet the cotton bud, wipe it off. Yeah, we can correct that. You can't do that with a marker pen. There's no correcting. Yeah, that's that wiped. Use another cotton bud to dry it. I might go, they seem to be less well defined here, so I'm going to use a thinner nib. This is a thinner nib. Okay, that's better. We'll do the same thing to the other one. It's a bit splodgy. This one started drying. Oh, we got it off, no problem. Let's see. Yes. Okay. Drying it, and I'm putting it on again with a thinner nib. Okay, problem solved. Okay, very well, that's that done. And we've done these two as well. This one seems to have splodged a bit. Anyway, we can scrape it off. It's still wet enough. It's a good thing of Vallejo paint that we can correct things. There's lots of gold and mixed up there. Let's get that wiped off. Dry it better. Then we reapply it with a thin nib. Okay. My paint is beginning to get gunked up a bit. It's beginning to dry. Adding a little bit of paint. Wee blob of paint, try and get it on a tiny spot. It's kind of... This is a paint that needs to be shaken a lot. Stir it up. I see, we're finished. That's that done. Brass doorknobs there and there on these two doors, and brass doorknobs over here. So next job, the roof canopy cladding.